10 future aircraft. Hill HX50. British aviation company Hill has unveiled the Hill HX50, touted as the world's first fully private helicopter. Unlike helicopters designed for fleet operators, the HX50 is specifically crafted for private owners seeking a personalized flying experience. The HX50 combines customization with impressive performance. It features a 3-blade rotor system and a powerful in-house GT50 turboshaft engine, delivering 400 horsepower, a cruise speed of 161 miles per hour, and a range of up to 806 miles. The sleek and futuristic fuselage can be finished in various vibrant colors, while the 5-person cabin boasts plush leather interiors and panoramic windows. The digital cockpit includes 2 15-inch glass instrument panels and an iPad, catering to recreational pilots. Kelekona aircraft. Kelekona aircraft is designed to carry 40 passengers plus pilot or 10,000 pounds of cargo. Capable of transporting up to 12 L9N or 24 LD3 containers, military equipment, soldiers, or entire platoons. A combination of stereo cameras and radar give Kelekona 100 miles of added environmental awareness for detection and avoidance from unknown aircraft, bird strike, weather anomalies, and uncharted physical infrastructure. Norte. Norte is a 2-seated sailplane, based on a sharing system, which supports the behavior of independent pilots and gliding clubs at the same time. This system allows an easy access to gliders and dismantles barriers between pilots and clubs. This concept has to provide certain features to fit the needs and requirements of a sharing system. Norte is a self-starting glider with an electric engine as propulsion system and taildragger undercarriage. Thanks to this features, it is possible to take this plane into operation without any further help. Jaguar Volante. Jaguar Volante is exploration of opulent design philosophy. It is my translation of an automotive impression into a non-automotive entity. Simplicity and refining was the core of the project, creating automotive feel in other form of transport. As Da Vinci said, simplicity is an ultimate sophistication. FIXAR 025. The FIXAR 025 carries up to 10 kilograms, 22 pounds, payload for a distance up to 300 kilometers, 186 miles, in one battery charge. The operations are fully autonomous, assured by an in-house developed next-generation autopilot and X-ground control systems, making it an efficient and reliable choice for BVLOS missions. Long-anticipated increased flight distance and payload capacity have been unlocked and supplemented with versatility. The UAV allows to use broad array of sophisticated professional payload modules by easily swapping them and using the same aircraft for surveying, aerial imaging, remote sensing, surveillance, real-time monitoring and delivery. FIXAR 025 has a full-body lift design. The entire body of the UAV serves as a wing area, eliminating dead weight and increasing flight efficiency and length. Norte Air. Norte Air was founded by Pablo Figueroa and is headquartered in Florida, USA. Figueroa is the senior design engineer with 15 years of experience in the aerospace industry. Passengers can ride the pod on a ground vehicle chassis, and upon arrival to the ground base, the aircraft will pick up and lock the pod to the fuselage and take the passenger to their landing destination. The aircraft has 8 propellers housed in 4 main ducts, 2 propellers per each duct, uses 8 electric motors, has canard stub wings each with ailerons, 1 vertical stabilizer with a rudder, and has 4 retractable landing legs. Vision VTOL. The Vision VTOL is a fully scalable platform designed specifically for the imminent evolution of electric power storage and energy breakthroughs. This is an area that we have been working closely with for years at the cutting edge. Energy and transportation are about to take a massive leap forward in performance and capability. Volante. Hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, fixed-wing aircraft spearheaded by Aston Martin, based in the United Moya EVTOL. The Moya EVTOL is an autonomous heavy-lift cargo drone that was developed by Brazilian-based Moya Aero. Despite the company being relatively new to the scene, founded in 2020, it has managed to change the future of aero logistics and agriculture with its Moya EVTOL, the first autonomous cargo drone built in the Southern Hemisphere. The drone has a range of 68 miles, 110 kilometers, and can fly up to 42 minutes with an impressive payload of 441 pounds, 200 kilograms. It is equipped with 4 propellers on tandem tilt wings and 4 electric motors, supporting a lightweight carbon fiber composite airframe. Icon A5. The Icon A5 reinvents recreational aviation and lets you bring the exhilaration of flight to life like never before. Sport flying with the A5 is tailored to pilots who primarily fly for recreation, easy to fly, lightweight, and low operating costs. The state-of-the-art interface from Garmin has come to the light sport Icon A5. The G3X Touch trademark flight display with an optional 2-axis autopilot adds situational awareness and sophistication to the Icon A5 Limited Edition, SLSA. This optional configuration offers advanced features and seamlessly integrates with the other Garmin avionics in the A5.